As bad tragic actors cannot sing alone, but in company with many, so some persons cannot walk about alone. Man, if you are anything, both walk alone and talk to yourself, and do not hide yourself in the chorus. Examine a little at last, look around, stir yourself up, that you may know who you are. You must root out of men these two things, arrogance, pride, and distrust. Arrogance, then, is the opinion that you want nothing, are deficient in nothing. But distrust is the opinion that you cannot be happy when so many circumstances surround you. Arrogance is removed by confutation, and Socrates was the first who practised this. And, to know that the thing is not impossible, inquire and seek. This search will do you no harm, and in a manner this is philosophizing, to seek how it is possible to employ desire and aversion without impediment. I am superior to you, for my father is a man of consular rank. Another says, I have been a tribune, but you have not. If we were horses, would you say my father was swifter? I have much barley and fodder, or elegant neck ornaments. If then you were saying this, I said, Be it so. Let us run then. Well, is there nothing in a man such as running in a horse, by which it will be known which is superior and inferior? Is there not modesty, fidelity, justice? Show yourself superior in these, that you may be superior as a man. If you tell me that you can kick violently, I also will say to you that you are proud of that which is an act of an ass.